Hello friends, today we are going to talk about side breakfall.
Or Yoko Ukemi.
So in general it looks like that. Ich. Ni. Sam. Ich. Ni. Ni. Yoko Ukemi is the most common breakfall for martial arts. For karate, for judo, for jujutsu, for aikido.
Yoko Ukemi looks the same.
So in final position you are on your side, down leg straightened, up leg bended, down arm straightened, head up, chin on your chest, don't touch with head the mat, this is very important. And here fist, like if you are holding something. Hold. When you are falling down, important to move your hand, down hand to the side, and fall on your side, not on your elbow. This is the main idea. There are different exercises to practice Yoko Ukemi.
Hope to see you on our next lessons.